How to make a wall that can be moved to separate your living space. Hey guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be making a mobile wall that can be moved to separate this space that I have in my bedroom. It is a very large bedroom and this is just half of it. And I would like to have a little portion of that half turn into a nook. So I got a heavy, thick wood. This is 2 inches thick and is really heavy and very important because I wanted the base to be heavy enough for the wall. Here are some extra supplies for the wall. Apart from this wood, I'm also going to be using old cubes that I've had from my previous home. And these will be inside the wall, and I'll be attaching them at both ends of the wood. I'll be adding extra cubes at the top to make it longer to give me the strong base that I need for the wall. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I'll be adding separate pieces of wooden boards together to make the wall. I couldn't have a long piece fit in my car, that's why I got little pieces that would fit in the car. I'll be using a staple gun and tape to hold the boards together so that as I work, they don't slide, because the surface for a chalkboard is really smooth and it can easily slide, and I want to make sure that it doesn't. So I'm going to hold it down with a staple gun and tape. When I'm done, I'm going to be adding all of the boards together. And all the boards you see here are going to make up just one side of the wall. Now I'm going to go ahead and add wood to the back. I will not be putting all of the wood because it's going to be too heavy for me to lift it up. And since I'm the only one at home, I have to make sure that I put just enough that I can carry up myself. And then after that, I'm going to be adding more wood to the back. For those of you out there that are not so familiar with nail guns, well, like me back in the day, I want to let you know that you can have different sizes of nails to use in your nail gun that would fit the project that you're working on so that you don't have it too long or too short. I'll be covering the back of the cubes before I close up the wall. When I was done, I sealed off the top and covered the bottom part here that's open. This is a wallpaper that I got a while back, almost a year ago, but never used it because it kind of gave an old feel every time I want to use it. But I decided to add a little bit of something to make it look okay. On the boards, I'll be prepping it with white glue and a little bit of water. I don't have a lot of the wallpaper, so I'm going to be starting it from here. At the sides, I'll be covering it up with gold contact paper, and the link for the contact paper is going to be down in the description box below. I'll be covering up this rough part here where the boards meet with the crown molding. I'll spray paint it gold before attaching it. Now I'll be attaching thin strips that I cut from a gold contact paper to make a pattern on the wall. I'm also going to be adding onlays to the wall. On the other side of the wall, I use a different contact paper. And yeah, it is a contact paper that is self-adhesive, which is super easy to apply. There's still a lot that I want to do on this side of the wall, so I will be uploading a different video for what I'm going to do on this side of the wall pretty soon, so stay tuned. Now I'm going to be prepping the little nook area and putting items there that I think will go with it, like the throne chair that I made, and I will leave a link for that chair down in the description box below. I'll be putting little items here that I feel I will need. And then from time to time, I'll be changing the decor around here, maybe even the seating area, or just putting puffs on the floor. And there will be a TV on this wall. I just put the setting here for now, but there will be a TV on the wall. I fortified the wall so much on the inside because I knew that I was going to mount a TV on it. So yes, this wall can definitely carry a TV. I have seen people use tires on their mobile wall, but I decided to leave mine the way it is. But then you can definitely put tires on yours if you're going to be moving it a lot. Now I have an interesting space with a mobile wall that I can move either forward or backward or in the middle. It all depends on how I want or where I want the wall to be. I love this wall because it also has display shelves by the sides. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button.